Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn what is the degree of a polynomial. So before we start that, we need to know a few things about a polynomial. Polynomials are of two types. One is a single variable polynomial and the other one is the more than one variable polynomial. So let's have examples of these to clarify this thing. Here, single variable, that means we have only single variable in all the monomials. Monomials are the single terms which together makes a polynomial. So this is the example of a single variable polynomial. Here we have only a single variable here, which is x. To find the degree of this polynomial, we just need to find the highest power of the variable, highest index of the variable. Index of this variable, which is x cube, is the maximum. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Let's have one more example. Let's have 3m square minus 4m raised to 5 m to the fifth power, 3m square minus 4m to the fifth power plus 33m minus 6. In this example, the highest index of the variable m is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Now let's move on to the polynomials having more than one variable. Let's have example as 2x square plus 3xy minus 4x squared y plus 9. As we see that there are more than one variable, there are two variables here, x and y. So to find the degree of this polynomial, we need to add the degree of the polynomials in a single term. So for example, the power of variable here in this first monomial of first term is 2. Here the power of x is 1 and y is 1. So we need to add to get the degree of this term. So this is 2. Here the power of x is 2 and y is 1. So the maximum power is 3 in this term and the constant, the power will be 0. The highest index of the variable in this monomial is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. So when there are more than one variable, we need to add the index of the two variables to get the index of the single term. Let's have one more example here. 3m square plus 4m square n square plus 7. The index of the first variable is 2. The index of the second variable is 2 plus 2 and the third constant is 0. So two indices will add and it will become 4. Maximum index will become 4. So here the degree of the polynomial is 4. So when there is a single variable, you just need to find the highest index of the variable to find the degree of the polynomial, and when there are more than one variable polynomials, you need to add the powers of the variable to get the degree of the polynomial. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.